Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. For this episode, we have taken you right to the south in a village called as Fatorpa. You know, you'll have heard about the song FATERPEKARIN. Yes. In fact, we have come to the temple that you see behind of SHANTADURGA FATERPEKARIN. There are two temples here. One is SHANTADURGA Cuncolim, one is FATERPEKARIN. And to come over here, you have to come from Margaon, drive along the highway, don't take the turn to the right on the Chichini junction, come straight forward, and then at Bari crossroad, you take a right. And then when you drive down straight, you find two gates. On your left hand side is the gate to SHANTADURGA Cuncolim, and the gate to the right is of SHANTADURGA FATERPEKARIN. Both these temples are amazing. They have got an amazing history. But today we have come over here in the Shigmo season because the SHANTADURGA FATERPEKARIN temple offers you a very unique festival called as the Topshyo festival. What is Topshyo festival? Well, I am also quite new to this. Let us go around the place, see the precinct, and then understand what is this Topshyo festival. When we came here to the Sri SHANTADURGA FATERPEKARIN temple, we saw a lot of activity going on over here. Now the issue was, what is this Topshyo festival, and who could tell us better than the president of the temple, Mr. Desai. Let's go and meet him. Yes. Desai Bab, yes. Welcome to my program, My Goem.
Yes.
ह्या देवस्थानाचे तुम्ही अध्यक्ष आणि आज तुम्ही तोपशो फेस्टिवल म्हणटा तो सेलिब्रेट करता. वो तोपशो फेस्टिवल म्हणजे कितें?
Actually, जो आजचो दीस पळया, आज concluding day of the festival.
Last day.
Last day of festival. This is going from Purnima.
Okay.
New moon day,
okay.
Full moon day. To this is Rang Chaturthi.
Okay.
5 days it is going. Then the next day, during that night also, there is a Gade celebration. Gade.
Oh, you all have got Gade here.
Gade here.
What do the Gade do?
Previously, about 70 to 80 they were falling within a second.
Okay.
When you were drumming the dhol,
yes.
At that moment, everybody was falling. But now the number is slightly decreasing. It come about
so
16,
this happens
20.
on the third day?
On Purnima, in the morning 2 a.m. In the morning.
In the morning at 2 o'clock?
2 o'clock.
2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to make it here at 2 o'clock.
We are performing that.
So right next to the temple?
This year only.
Okay.
Here, between.
So everything starts around there?
Yes, yes. They are uprooting bamboo trees and they are coming with the force.
Oh.
Each one. And this is that program is finished within 2 hours.
Okay.
It is going. Next day, we are performing. One was died. The god after 1 year he came and he died here. Nobody is taking food in the village next day.
Okay.
He's going outside. Now
so nobody eats.
Now somebody.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Things are changing.
Things are changing.
It's an honor to him.
Third day, we got procession.
Okay.
During night, those who are not married,
okay.
Those boys are not married. They are taking procession through all the temples and so many places. Yesterday, Yesterday night also there was a procession with these umbrellas.
Okay. What are these umbrellas called?
These are Chhatra Kalash.
Chhatra Kalash or Chhatri.
Kshatriya, red
Ani-
color, and the 4 are white.
Do they belong to any
There are
Vanguards?
group of Mahajans.
Mahajan.
5 Vanguards are here. 4 plus 1, red
Okay.
and 4 white. Now Dhol Tasha will go their houses. They coming with the groups.
What time does this happen?
Now they will reach here at 4:15,
4:15 they should.
Yeah, 4,
So
4:15
if
like
my viewers have to come here to see this program, they
Yeah.
should be here by 3:30.
4 o'clock they will come.
They
reach
will
here.
come.
4,
Okay.
4:15 they will
Okay.
come. And 4:50, 4:30 Palki will start.
Okay.
The deity will sit in the Palanquin
Okay.
and procession will go
Start.
on.
Okay. And where does the procession go?
Then the procession goes from the around the temple
Okay.
to the tank is there.
There is a water tank here.
Water tank is there.
Okay.
Water tank, then Maruti temple is there.
Okay.
Maruti temple.
That's right on top over there.
Yes. And
Yes.
from that, the holy ground is before that.
Okay.
This Saptakodeshwar temple.
Yes.
Then Topshyo,
Huh.
some beliefs
Okay.
from our area.
Okay.
They bring some sticks.
Okay.
And there is a moot
handle for it.
handle for that. There is a cap of some wooden. They are bringing about 100, 200 like that. Lastly,
Huh.
they put fire on the ground.
Okay.
On the ground, this is everything becomes pavitra.
Huh. It cleanses.
It cleanses that from
Okay,
going
okay,
on the ground.
So they all jump over it
They jump over along with the deity.
along with the deity.
Along with the deity.
Okay.
On the umbrellas also.
Okay.
Totally. And they distribute those topshyos
Okay.
to the people. And there is this thing saying that when that topsy is brought in your house and kept it over there, that snakes and these things, they are
don't
not
come.
attack. Yes, they don't come in the house. Prepared.
So, ladies and gentlemen, a message that goes out to all of you through this festival, that is, please take care of the vegetation around you. Preserve the mountains that are there, because they are the treasures, they are the banks, they are the vaults of medicine that can save lives. Today we are depending on allopathic medicine, but here we can see that this very community is making the people aware, is carrying forward that message. Please take care of the trees. Will you? I think you will. Yes. Thank you, Shababab. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Now, in this particular temple, we have got Mr. Anantapadde, who is the Purohit. Let us find out from him what this is about. Anand Bab, तुमचे स्वागत आसा आमच्या माय गोंयाचेर. हें जें तोपश्यो म्हणून कितें घडटा न्ही, तें ह्या देवळान घडटा, शांतादुर्गा फातर्पेकरीण. आतां ही देवी हांगाच आशिल्ली काय खंयसून आयल्या?
ना, देवी जी आसा ती हांगाचीच. बाकीचे सप्तकोटेश्वर म्हणात ताका तुमकां जशें खबर आसा की सप्तकोटेश्वर नार्वेच्यान हांगा आयिल्लो. मुख्य हांगा जो आसा पयलो सरासरी आमचे देवस्थानचे जे आसा ताका 25 आसात. 5 देवतांचे हें देवस्थान. पयलो जो आसा तो आमचो भुमीपुरुश, तो थंय आसा.
ओके.
ताचे नंतर सप्तकोटेश्वर.
ओके.
भितर सातेरी आसा, शांतादुर्गा आसा, पंचापुरुश आसा.
ओके.
शिगम्याचे बद्दल जर तुमकां सांगपाचें जालें किंवा तोपश्यो हेजे बद्दल जर सांगप जालें जाल्यार ह्या देवीची जात्रा फेमस आसा हें सगळ्यांक खबर आसाच. अशी जाणटेले म्हणटात की जात्रे पेक्षा हेचो शिगमो इम्पॉर्टंट किंवा शिगमो मोठो, ह्या देवीचो शिगमो मोठो. सो सरासरी आमच्या शिगम्याची जी सुरवात आसा ही फाल्गून शुद्ध नवमी ह्या दिसाच्यान जाता. म्हणजे त्या दिसाक देवी बसयल्लो दीस.
ओके.
देवीचो पिंडीकोत्सव
म्हणजे हांगा
बसयल्लो दीस. स्थापना किंवा देवळाची जी स्थापना जाली तो फाल्गून शुद्ध नवमी हो दीस. म्हणजे अष्टमी आणि नवमी ह्या 2 दिसात देवीच्या नांवान आमी नवचंडी करतात. नवमी दीस रातचे उत्सवाची पालखी आसता. पालखी रातीन जाली की आमचे देवळाचे पुजारी आसा योगेश शेकेरकर म्हणून, तेंचे सकट गांवचे वांगडी जे म्हण आसात ते सगळे मांडार तोणयांनी खेळपाची सुरवात करतात.
ओके.
आणि थंयच्यान 5 दीस तोणयांनी खेळपाची सुरवात जाता.
5 दीस.
आणि चतुर्दशी दीस गांवचो म्हणजे ह्या देवस्थानचो मेळ भायर सरता. तो सभोवतेली जे गांव आसात थंय सगळ्याक 2 दीस ते भोंवतात. 2 दीस चतुर्दशी आणि पौर्णिमा.
ओके.
पौर्णिमेक सरासरी रातचे 12 पर्यंत मेळाचो उत्सव समाप्त जाता, सादारण 12, 12:30, 1. ताजे नंतर जशें अध्यक्षान तुमकां सांगलें की हांगा गड्यांचो उत्सव जाता. गडे सादारणशे रातची 2 सुरवात जावन पहाटे 5 पासून सुद्दां ते सोंपतात.
ओके.
सो गड्यांचो उत्सव जालो की ताजे दुसरे दीस कळंजे म्हणून
गड्यांच्या
पावसा.
खंयच्या दिसा जाता?
गड्यांचे पुनवेच्या रातीक.
पुनवेच्या राती.
हय.
ओके.
म्हणजे राती सुरवात जावन पहाटे ते
सकाळी
पाडव्याक सोंपता.
हय, हय, हय.
ताजे नंतर कळंजे म्हणून पावोवप आसता.
हां.
ते आमचे हांगचे पयरीकार म्हण आसात ते तांचें काम. ताजे नंतर तेजे दुसरे दीस हांगचे महाजनांच्यो ज्यो बायलां आसात सवाशीण बायलो
हय, हय.
त्यो उपास करतात रातचो.
हां.
तेका दिवजांचो उपास असो म्हणटात.
ओके.
ताजे दुसरे दीस दिवजां आसतात.
हां. पूण हांगा दिवजांय जाता?
दिवजांय जाता.
कितलींशीं बायलां येता?
सरासरी तरी 70-80 तरी बायलां आसतली.
ओके. 70 बायलां.
सो दिवजांचो उपास ताजे नंतर दिवजां आनी जशें अध्यक्षान तुमकां सांगलें की ह्यो ज्यो क्षत्रिय आसात ह्यो कालचे रातीक म्हणजे आज चतुर्थी तृतीये दीस सगळ्यो वाजपा सकट शांतादुर्गा कुंकळीकर्णीच्या भेटीक वतात. म्हणजे तिका आमंत्रण दिवपाक की आज तुमी
ओके.
हांगा
आज
या
म्हणून. हां.
अशें म्हणून रातची थंय वतात.
ओके.
जी देवस्थानां
म्हणजे हें काल
आसात
राती
राती
जालें.
जालें. राती सगळे मेळा सकट सजे सागो सकट ते वतात. सगळ्यांक जी देवस्थानां आसा तांकां आमंत्रण दितात आनी आज ह्यो क्षत्रियांचो उत्सव आमगेलो साजरो केलो वता.
ओके.
देवीची मुर्ती आतां आमी पालखेक बसयतले आनी थोड्याशा वेळान एक 15 मिनटांनी. आनी जसो आमचो पालखेचो फेरो आसता तसोच पालखेचो फेरो वता. पूण आयचे दिसाक पालखेचो फेरो मातसो मोठो आसता. तो आमी तळये कडल्यान जशें तुमकां वदळ सांगलें तसो फिरून थंय मागीर होलिका जेका बाकी सगळे होळी पौर्णिमे दीस जेणी होळी केली तशेंच होलिका दहन आसता. त्या दीस जाल्लें तें आमगेलें आज आसता.
ओके.
होलिका दहन जालें थंय की ताजे वयल्यान पालखी आनी छत्री बी सगळीं येतात.
हय.
ती अशी आयली की मागीर लोक हांगा भेट घेवपाक लागतात. हांगा मुखार येवन ना ताजे पयलीं घेतात. ताजे पयलीं फक्त रंगोत्सव किंवा गुलालोत्सव चालू आसता. हांगा भेट घेतात आनी तेणी सांगले त्या प्रमाणे तोपश्यो वांटप जाता. त्यो तोपश्यो घेवन लोक घरा कडेन वतात. तेजी आपापल्या प्रमाणे आदर दवरतात आनी ताजे नंतर भितर येवन मागीर आरती जाल्या नंतर हो उत्सव सोंपता.
पालखी भायर कितलो पासून उरता?
सरासरी हय वरभर तरी आसता. सरासरी जर हांगच्यान आमी 4:30 पालखी काडली जाल्यार परत भेट घेवपाक सादारण 5:30 पासून त्या स्थानाचेर पालखी पावता. हय. आनी सांजेर सादारण 7 सुमार मागीर रातच्यो आरती जातात.
ओके.
आरती जाल्या नंतर हो उत्सव सोंपता.
सोंपता. ओके. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फतेह. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. when we came here for this Topshyo festival, we knew that Topshyo had to be something. So we found Mr. Sajid Desai. Sajid Bab, हे तुझ्या हातान आसा पळय ते कितें?
ते आमचे तोपश्यो म्हळ्यार ते आमी देवा फुड्यान व्हरून दवरताय आमचे पुरीस आहा पळय ते फुड्यान व्हरून दवरता
आनी बाय तूं खंय दवरतले गो?
देवा फुड्यान.
थँक्यू सजीत बाब.
थँक्यू
So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the Topshyo festival at the Sri SHANTADURGA FATERPEKARIN temple in Fatorpa. But at the beginning, when this was about to start by about 4 o'clock, we heard drum beats. And then we saw a group of people coming down from a lane that was between the trees. And we asked the president of the temple here, who are these people? And he gave me a pleasant shock. He told me that they came from a village called Nagdori. Nagdori. See, simple way to say that. And every year this band is led by, or these festivities are led by a group led by Mr. Anton Fernandez. Surprised? This is called as Goikarpon. We all are one. Let's speak to Anton Bab and find out more. Anton Bab, आमच्या प्रोग्रामान तुझे स्वागत आसा माय गोंय प्रोग्रामान. तुम्ही सगळे यू आर फ्रॉम द कॅथलीक फ्रेटर्निटी, रायट? कॅथलीक फ्रेटर्निटी. एंड तुम्ही हे एका देवळाच्या फंक्शनाक वाजयता. एक दोन उतरां आमकां सांग, हें कितें? तुजे सामकें इतलें येदोळच्यान तुमी वाजयता दोन वरां जालीं सारकीं.
हें आमचें बरें आदलें बाब सारकें. म्हजो पांयचो पांय वाजयतालो आनी तेजे कितले फुडें तें म्हाज्यान कांय सांगूंक जायना.
ओके.
आदले मनीस चड देवा म्हज्या पांयान जायत वर्सां वाजयलें देवा फुडें. आतां पांच फाटल्यान पांयान तें जालें हांव कोता आनी मागीर म्हजो चेड कोतलो.
तुजें नांव कितें?
Miles.
Miles. Oh, we are going to go miles in this way. Okay, Miles, Bob, tell me, जें तुमी वाजयतात न्ही हाव डू यू फील
उमेद
उमेद येता
उमेद
गांवकारां बरोबर एकठांय रावपाक उमेद येता
उमेद येता सर.
व्हेरी गुड
बरें दिसता सर.
आनी
हो आमचो वडील
हो तुमचो वडील
पयलो असो
ही आमची उमेद सामकी ते भाशेन ही उमेद आनी केन्नाय मेळना आमकां एक वर्सा मेळटी जाली वर्साचें उमेद मेळटा आमकां
ओके
ही आनी केन्नाय उमेद मेळना हांकां
तुगे नांव
माट्रीस मास्कारेन
Martis Mascarenhas. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the spirit. Now let's turn back this side. तुगे नाव कितें?
मेकलिश पेरेरा.
The name is Macleish Pereira. Let's find out from him. Macleish बाब, तुका कशी आयली उमेद हांगा हे डाम डाम करून वाजयतालो पळयतालो हांव तुका.
हांव पयलींचो वाचपा संवय.
तूं पयलीं पासून वाजयता?
ना म्हजी डॅडी वाचतालो हिंगा माम वाजयता माम तेंच्या हाडटा हांव वाजयता.
मामा वाजयता म्हणून तूं वाजयता?
ना डॅडी वाजता.
Daddy वाजयतालो. Very good. You like it here? It is family and friends. In Goa, it is family and friends. तुका कशें दिसता वाजोवंक?
म्हाका बरें दिसता वाजोवपाक.
बरें?
म्हाका उमेद
तूं येदोळच्यान वाजयतालो हात दुखोंक ना?
ना ना
Sure?
बरें दिसता श्योर.
तुझे हात दुखले? तुका हांव येदोळच्यान पळयता वाजयता तो.
मी उमेद वाजोवपाची
सारकी उमेद? हां? पूण तुका वाजोवपाक सारकी मजा? What else do you want, ladies and gentlemen? This is our Goa, my Goem, your Goem, everybody's Goem. Such a colorful Goem that we have, and a blend and a harmony between two religions going on very harmoniously in this village of Fatorpa. I cannot ask for blessings from any god, more than this, because we would like these traditions, customs to go on forever. Thank you very much, Adon Bab, for your.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
When we came here, we spoke about this Topshyo festival to the ad hoc president of Sri SHANTADURGA FATERPEKARIN, Mr. Desai. That time he was looking nice and clean, but afterwards, like me, you can see how nice and colorful he's become. The person who is going to take over now is Mr. Dilkhush. Let us ask him. Dilkhush Bab, आता तुम्ही ह्या रथाच्यो येद्या व्हडल्या शांतादुर्गेच्या रथाच्यो ज्यो पळय रेन्स आसा त्यो शाबा देसाय बाबा कडसून तुम्ही घेतले हां कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स टू यू
Thank you.
यू हॅव बीन द प्रेसिडेंट
Yes.
अँड आतांय तुम्ही जातले
Yeah.
सो वॉट प्लॅन्स डू यू हॅव
See, this temple which you see in front of you,
येस
this was started way back in 2006. So that material which is used for this temple, that is being brought from Andhra and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. It is very difficult to get skilled labor. So when I took in 2016 along with my colleagues,
व्हेरी गुड
so we decided that we will carry on the work by keeping all the other aside, little bit slow, in order to complete this temple. During our tenure, we spent around 1 crore and 30 lakhs almost.
Oh.
So yeah, it was a huge amount which was exclusively spent for construction of this temple.
ओके
I have got another plan for another 3 years. So we will try our level best. Construction work is completed within 3 years.
ओके
Yeah.
दिस टेम्पल इज डेडिकेटेड टू
Saptakoteshwar.
Thank you, Dilkhush.
Yes, thank you very much.
Now let's speak to the secretary, Mr. Ajay Desai. तुम्ही ह्या कमिटीचे सेक्रेटरी हां तुमचे एक्सपिरियन्स कितें हांगा
आमी जेन्ना चार्ज घेतला 2006 तेन्ना आमी वेगवेगळे तरेचे हें केलें कितें म्हटल्यार पयलीं आमचे रेकॉर्ड्स सारके नाशिल्ले पयलींचे ते आमी रेकॉर्ड्स म्हळ्यार ट्राय करून आमी अशें म्हणना की 100% सारके केले बट ट्राय टू कंप्युटरायज मागीर रिसिट्स कंप्युटर रिसिट्स म्हणजे जे अभिषेक पावती बी ते आसले ते सगळे कंप्युटरायज केल्यान आमकां ते बरोवपाचें जे आसलें तें काम कमी जालें मातशें एक शॉर्टान तुका सगळे रेकॉर्ड मेळपाक लागलो
Very good. Thank you very much. If any committee has to successfully carry on the work that is given to them, then they have to work this way in harmony, and not only that, they have already said it that if you want something good, you have to be good yourself. And I think I have come across a very good committee who's doing a very good job. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the Topshyo festival. beautiful bonding, beautiful harmony between two communities of Goa living so beautifully in the true spirit of Goikarpon. Please do make it a point. Keep in touch with the newspapers because they keep on telling you when these festivals are. And what is important in this particular festival is that stick with a smaller bark on top of it, and that is the Topshyo. Now this particular stick is brought by the Vape community who live into the base of the hinterland mountains. They are medicinal, and they say that when you keep it at home and when you take it next to a snake, if it comes into your house, the snake runs away. And that is why it has got a small piece of wood and a long stick behind. And many people rush and carry this. You can see a lot of people carrying this particular thing. Possibly they have got a lot of snakes at home, or they feel that the snake is going to come. But the message here is, please preserve our mountains, because there are so many life-saving herbs, trees and shrubs over there, that a time will come when we will now have to turn back to our lands. But for that time, let's preserve our mountains. So here I have got the part of the coconut that has been blessed, and we are now going to go home because we are tired. I'm tired, so is my team. My cameraman is making big eyes at me from the back. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have anything to tell us, if you want such type of festivities to be documented, to be shown to the world, and they are happening in your village, write to us on the email that you see over here. We love to hear from you. There are a lot of things in Goa we are not aware about, but I would really be pleased if you can contact my Goem on the email that you see and tell us what is there and what is not there. So as of now, without wasting time, saying goodbye to you, signing off, bye-bye.